Introducing our new powerful little truck. It's perfect for tough job on rough terrain. This truck is really strong, reliable and easy to maneuver. It can handle any loads of dirt, sand and rock. Its 4x4 time-sharing drive system ensures superior traction and stability. Even on the most rugged surfaces, its generous fuel capacity and robust construction enable extended operation times and withstand demanding conditions. With its big tire and powerful engine of Cummins B17033, it can go anywhere. It's great for construction sites, farms, or any job that needs a tough truck. We are Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle. If you need reliable and hardworking truck, look no further. Our compact 4x4 dump truck is the answer.